Okay, so do we have to turn the light on?
This is my mom, everybody.
Hi.
I'm gonna do her makeup.
Yay. Because I don't really do makeup.
I don't even know where it went.
You might have to turn the other light on.
No. Is it important? Yes.
No, I got a fat neck.
Can you please?
Why would I have a fat neck than a wrinkle neck? No, that's the first thing to tell somebody age is their neck. Neck and hands. Neck and hands.
You smart. You very smart.
She's dropping things.
Oh no, it got your eyelash. Oh no. See, I told y'all I'm not good at doing makeup.
You would think that if it's doing somebody else's would be easier.
Well, it's not.
Like she get some crow's feet.
Did you just hear what she just said?
That's right.
Open your eye.
What's me open my eye?
Open your eye.
What's me by open my eye? Why?
Cause I need to get the crease.
You gotta do the creases.
Yes, there's a bunch of foundation.
We gotta do the creases.
You said to go all out.
Yeah, but I don't like stuff in my eye.
Okay, I'm gonna be by your eye again.
Oh Lord. I want the drag queen look. Thank you.
Lipsticks, that's the color.
God, I wasn't making a James Corbin flinch game.
I tried, everyone. Okay,
That's the look.
yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright.
Thank you, Ashley.
No problem.
I like natural. I like the natural look. I don't really care too much for makeup, even though that was a lot of work.
No, not really. Wait, what do you guys think? I tried.
So what is this? My third video? Third one with you?
Yeah, I think so. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my mom.
Hi again. In the comment box, make sure you put suggestions of different video ideas that she should do. And if you want to see some BTS again, let her know in the comment box. I'm trying to get her to watch some more BTS with me.
Put purple hearts in the comments. Always remember to stay bright, stay awesome, and see beautiful in the cave. Bye! Ah, my arm. Woo!